Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos from TK Maxx, B&M hauls, Superdrug hauls, Boots hauls, Argos hauls. I also do daily, weekly and weekend food hauls, which are my most popular videos, and I do unboxing videos of a variety of things from trainers to watches to beauty boxes, and I also do food subscription from Degustabox. Today's video, as the title suggests, is the Degustabox for April. So I'm going to show you everything that I received in this box. All I've done is open the box because my dress is on the top and I don't want to put my dress on the internet. The rest of it is going to be a surprise to me because I don't have a clue what's in this box. So the first item is NYX Kex Bar. NYX Kex Bar is a crispy chocolate wafer with vanilla cream covered in thick delicious milk chocolate. We never add sugar in our products, not now and not ever. Joe and I fight on sugar at nyx.se. Find our products on amazon.co.uk and use the voucher Degusta1 for 20% off. Never heard of this brand. Sounds good. I like the fact there's no added sugar, but I'm hoping it's not full of sweeteners because I'm not keen on those either. The next item is these Trex Cocoa Peanut Peak Protein Energy Chunks. They sound good. Trex Protein Energy Chunks. Apparently there's 2 packets. I'll find the other one in a minute. Trex chunks are deliciously different. Instead of relying on additives and syrups, Trex chunks are packed with a precise cold pressed balance of powerful whole foods, delivering sustained energy when you need it the most. Vegan and gluten free. And this is the second pack of them, and this is the Toffee Triumph. They sound really tasty. Leo Bites or Lio Bites, Strawberry and Banana Smoothie Bites. Strawberry and Banana Lio Bites Smoothie Bites. Lio Bites are 100% fruit crisps made by a mum searching for a healthy snack for her family. We pick the ripest and sweetest fruits in season to ensure the maximum nutrition and vitamins are retained. The fruits are quickly frozen and then dried to achieve a sweet, crunchy fruit crisp. They sound tasty as well. I'm looking forward to them. The Food Doctor Full of Beans Protein Mix. The Food Doctor Full of Beans Protein Mix and Smoky Edamame Mix make the perfect mid-morning snacks as they contain a blend of corn and beans which are high in fibre and a good source of protein. That'll keep you going until lunchtime. And there's the second packet. Again, sounding good. Milky Bar Wowsums. Apparently there's 2 of these. I'll find the other one in a minute. Milky Bar Wowsums have arrived to bring the fun with 30% less sugar than similar chocolate products and no artificial sweeteners, colours, flavours or preservatives. It's simply 100% delicious white chocolate or white and milk chocolate filled with creamy tasting centre and crispy oat cereal. There's the second one, different flavour, milk and white chocolate. The next item is Happy Down. Happy Down Craft Cocktails. Happy Down Craft Cocktails are a range of award-winning pre-mixed drinks that pair 2 premium adult-orientated fruit flavours further infused with a herb or spice to create the perfect crafted alcoholic refreshment. They are made with all natural flavours, have 0 preservatives, are gluten-free, vegan-friendly and have no added sugar. Currently available in all large format Tesco stores across the UK. I got the lychee guava and chilli flavour. Oh, I don't know about that. I like the design though. Mutti Polpa Finely Chopped Tomatoes. Mutti Finely Chopped Tomatoes. Winners of a prestigious Great Taste Award. Only Italian tomatoes, red, sweet, ripe and free of yellow and green parts. Different from the first glance. Thick, inviting and fragrant. Taste the quality, all the delicate flavour of fresh tomatoes. Another drink. Juicy Field Cola, all natural, 1 of your 5 a day, cherry. Juicy Field Cola. Juicy Field Juicy Fuel Cola is a cola made from entirely natural ingredients with no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners and no preservatives, and remarkably one of your 5 a day. Never seen this before. Like the sound of that and looking forward to trying it. Idahoan Perfect Mash Roasted Garlic. Idahoan's Perfect Mash Roasted Garlic is ready in just 1 minute. Simply add 475 millilitres of boiling water to a bowl and stir the flakes, resulting in fluffy mash and great taste, making midweek meals like sausage and mash really easy. GM free, gluten free. Find us in the tinned veg aisle. I don't think I've ever had powdered mash before. I'll try it because I like garlic, but I don't think this would be something I would ever pick up and buy. Easy to digest A2 milk, long life semi-skimmed cow's milk. A2 milk, long life semi-skimmed cow's milk. A2 milk is a natural cow's milk with a difference. It's naturally free from the A1 protein found in regular cow's milk, so it's gentle on sensitive tummies, easy to digest and less likely to trigger symptoms associated with milk intolerance. I actually think I'm milk intolerant or dairy intolerant, and I need to go and see my doctor about that because I bloat badly when I have milk or anything associated with dairy. So this would be nice for me to try to see how I react to that. Haribo Giant Strobes. Haribo Giant Strobes. Giant in flavour and in size is Haribo Giant Strobes, a traditional pick and mix treat that is so popular it now has its own sharing and pocket-sized packs. Strawberry shaped and flavoured and boasting its own unique texture. Great Giant Strobes is perfect for vegetarians. I absolutely love these. I couldn't be more happy to get this in here. Well done, Degustabox, you've made me very happy. Orange Lucozade. Lucozade Energy Orange. Discover the great taste of Lucozade Energy Orange in the moment when you need it the most. Whatever your day may hold, remember your energy beats everything. Lucozade Energy is best served chilled, so put the bottle in the fridge for maximum great taste. I actually have about 3 of these in my fridge, and I always have at least one. They're perfect on days when I don't feel very well, or I need something sweet, or I need a drink quickly. I absolutely love this, so this is a welcome addition to the box. Mutti Passata Mutti. Mutti Passata. Perfect for dishes with reduced cooking times and can enhance pasta sauces, eggs and meat. The passata retains its bright red colour, velvety texture and sweet flavour. I like passata. I love that it's in a jar, so this will definitely get used. Nutvia Hazelnut Spread. Nutvia Hazelnut Spread. Nutvia is a delicious hazelnut spread with 0 palm oil and is 97% less sugar. It tastes freaking amazing and has been certified with the Orangutan Alliance No Palm Oil seal. Available at Whole Foods, Ocado and Amazon.co.uk. This is £7.45, so it's not cheap, and I generally don't like hazelnut spread, but I'm definitely going to try this because of the less sugar content. Hopefully I'll like it. It's quite a big jar, so yeah. So that's everything in this month's Degustabox. I'm very, very happy with this box. Literally, I want to try everything. The only thing that I'm not as keen on would be the cider because it's got chilli in it, but I will try it because it's trying something different. Other than that, it's quite a healthy box and it's the sort of things that I enjoy to eat. So this has been the best box so far this year, and I'm going to continue to subscribe. I did say if it was a bad box I would unsubscribe, but this is the best box I've ever had from Degustabox. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. There'll also be a matching blog post up about this box very soon, and my blog is always linked in the description. Thank you for watching everyone, bye.